Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete a playlist on SoundCloud. To delete a playlist on SoundCloud, first you have to tap open your application. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on library. Now tap on playlist. Here, select the playlist you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots. Now tap on delete. Remember, deleting this playlist means permanently removing this playlist. Make sure you are confirmed to delete and then tap on delete. And here you go. You have successfully deleted your playlist. You can always come back here and create your playlist with your preferred songs. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.